Thanks to the addition of several pretty cool features, Apple Messages app has become a lot richer and functional in iOS 18. One of my favorite features is the ability to perform calculations and conversions in the Apple Messages app on iPhone right from the conversation thread. Powered by the system-wide math notes feature, it works like a charm in letting you solve equations and convert units instantly. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get us started, first up, you have to launch the Apple Messages app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, you have to open a conversation thread. And now you have to enter an equation followed by an equal sign, and voila, the Messages app will quickly calculate the result. Hence, you can share things like splitting bills, costs, and measurements with your dear ones. If you want to get a foreign currency conversion, all you need to do is just double tap the amount to check a conversion in your local currency in the menu, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can quickly perform calculations and conversions in the Apple Messages app on your iPhone and iPad. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it at and when the need arises, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and bye-bye.